One thing we can tell Mavado, you know. Mavado, you have a legacy in a dancehall. Don't make Vybz Kartel water in your legacy like how Vybz Kartel water down for him.
2,000 years.
I notice if I respond drop the words and I shade Mavado as what they want to say. I know I say Mavado, mongrel dog, flexing the complex will like a run out.
Don't make Vybz Kartel set you up Mavado, make we see you on the stage and wind up in a brief. And
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
People were gone, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. So people, boy, J-Pro was run out on Mavado and a bag of thing, you know. I want him. You see me? So make we hear what Pro J-Pro gets I say.
One thing we can tell Mavado, you know. Mavado, you have a legacy in a dancehall. Don't make Vybz Kartel water in your legacy like how Vybz Kartel water down for him. Don't make Vybz Kartel set you up Mavado, make we see you on the stage and wind up in a brief. And I do some little looting as a legend in the dancehall. Because we are going to want people firm in the dancehall to stand up. Mavado, you have a legacy Vybz Kartel now have none again. The only legacy Vybz Kartel have is to Gaza fans. Vybz Kartel now have no respect in the dancehall. Check dancehall. Dancehall artists don't respect Vybz Kartel.
Well, Mavado have to know him, but I don't think, well, I can't see if you're a man, but knowing say Mavado won't move like a gangster and something. I don't think, I not see this, it's like, brother, I not see Mavado really do where Kartel I do still, like, that would have been one of the biggest shocking to me. You understand? Because we know say Mavado, the man in to run down clout, really. Him not really do the media most of the time, and you see me? Video himself and all of them little thing there. You see me? More like him do a little promotional skit like big up party and thing, but I know of them man there, brother, you see me? So, but the thing is that now, see the draining energy, brother, because see man them a say, yo, I'm Mavado, although I'm Mavado and Kartel with the Gaza and Gully, you know, the man them a say, I'm Mavado make a ticket now sell, and me a say, wait. So Vybz Kartel not up on the show. So how Mavado if you not make it? I would have to be both of them. But that's what's for sure, your brother say, yo, I know the guys are not too, to be honest, you know, people, the guys are not too rate Mavado like that, you know, I tell you, you know, just look what I go on. When all of them something I done, you go see. Because them done, I say, yo, nothing never go on for Vado. Kartel, I give him money and I make him get shoe and one bag of thing the man them say. I say, you see, man, them not rate Vado, my G. You understand?
The young artists, them in the dancehall right now, them never respect Vybz Kartel. Mavado have more solid ratings in the dancehall than Vybz Kartel. Remember when me tell you that? The Gaza fans, them make a bag of nice. But when the truth hit, the artists, them respect Mavado more than all them respect Vybz Kartel. One thing, Vybz Kartel thinks him is above all of the artists, them, and look down upon them. And any artist, we do them own thing and make it off of them own. Vybz Kartel not like them, because Vybz Kartel want them strength and want them to call them name, back a theme name.
Yeah, man. At that I think, man, come see, man, do interview and I say, yo, when academics are asking about Alkaline and a bag of thing, man, I say, yo, them they want feed them cartel, so them get feed them cartel. So the man I say Alkaline and next cartel. I say, brother, yo, I tell you the right, this man want be one man be him and yo, me I tell you people, me have a laugh, dog. You say, remember, you know, the man say Alkaline is the next cartel, no. He must say that, you know. But he must go say he's not a fan. Or if you say our next man is you, but that means you're not a fan of yourself, me G. You understand? So sometimes when me hear man talk, I have to just laugh, dog.
You see me I deal with? Mavado, go and do what you do, brother. Because the youth them respect you. And you have your legacy intact, same way. Vybz Kartel dash a theme. If he wants somebody to blame, he need to go blame the Gaza fans them. Because of them lead him there, so. You know see where Vybz Kartel right now. Vybz Kartel a puppet to money. Remember, Vybz Kartel this a draw down money since him come from prison. A long time Mavado own an entire community. Complex on top of complex. Money I spend all about. You never see Mavado go on like him frightened. It me a try show you know. Because some people, they feel like they are somebody, they need a catalyst. Vybz Kartel catalyst him say is money. But guess what Vybz Kartel no know? I know everybody frightened. And that I beat him.
Yeah, that for real. It no matter where him buy. That's why I always saying to people. You might have 10 car, but a one alone you can drive go down the road. You might have 10 house with 40 bedroom, but a one room you can sleep in. You understand? So it no matter what you do, anywhere you take it, you still I do with the regular man I do. You see me? A one room everybody sleep in. One time for the night. Him can't sleep in a two room at the same time. Him can't drive two cars same time. You understand? So no matter what, you still a do what a regular man I do. So nobody not really frightened for that, my G. You see me? I mean, I always tell people, say, brother, a life is riches, you know. Once you have life, you can get rich any day. Once you put your mindset to it. You understand? Because man may be rich. You see me? And him not 200. And yeah, and him life just, you see me? You reach at a part where him have all this money in this world and him can't preserve or do something where can carry him back to that normal stage. You understand? But you have a man when not really have the money like that, but him have life, him can go play football, him can go do this, him can go do that. And still happy same way. Yeah, and I just so life set. Cause at the end of the day, you know, rich or poor, you know. You understand? You forward with no money. You see me, you never born out of your mother with money in your hand. You see me? And you go, and when you go in your grave, I see him thing. You see me? I just one of them thing there.
Dear, you always gonna have licky man, because enough of them Gaza boy put them body on the counter a long time. Listen how them talk. Listen how them talk. Remember, you know, me hear man say down that dead for Vice Cartel, you know, and they have pitney, and they have woman, and they have mother, and they have father, and in that dead for Vice Cartel. Me see Vice Cartel dress up in a brief and go wind up and down on camera. And when me look, me see 100 man dress up in a brief and I wind up and down on camera. You know, alright, me don't talk, me don't. It look like all no, nobody no see it. The youth them in a dancehall don't rate Vice Cartel, you know. The youth them in a dancehall don't rate Vice Cartel. You no see no youth a run back a Vice Cartel right now. Cause the youth them no respect Vice Cartel no more. And that me a try tell you no. And it come like say none of you don't see that all no. Say the youth them no have no respect for Vice Cartel again. Because Vice Cartel mash up him legacy. Right now, every youth a do them own thing. No man now run on no color with Vice Cartel. No man now look no strength of a Vice Cartel in the dancehall right now.
Brother, but Cartel needs strength right now, my G. Him need right now, him need help. So what them gonna go team? What them gonna get? Them can't get nothing, my G. I just one of them thing there, brother.
Any youth you see of them look hit song and a go on. Remember one time when Vice Cartel a Vice Cartel. Every youth Vice Cartel come like a them God. Not anymore. The man them have no respect for Vice Cartel. I want it as money respect Vice Cartel in the dancehall and a Gaza fans. A Gaza fans alone respect Vice Cartel in the dancehall. No youth in the dancehall no respect Vice Cartel right now. You see youth them do them one thing. Every youth, all Vice Cartel right now, a king of dancehall. But him a king for Joe Bogdanovich, Scatter Burrell, and the Gaza fans them. You don't know, say rest of dancehall artists, them say Vice Cartel has no king for dancehall. You don't know that.
But you see, the thing is that when Vice Cartel the prison, you know, remember say, as a youth boss and get the break, you know. You understand? It's because they must say, alright, Ray, them hot at the moment, them give him a collaboration and thing. Them a keep film thing active. You see me? While them a give him strength. But at the end of the day, me always say, brother, our man from prison for give a man a road strength when nobody can see him. You see what my try say? So I just one of them things where them create a narrative there. Cause look here, man, they a road now. Nothing not there. You see it? I see him thing. Cartel need the strength right now, my G. You see me? Him just dip on the social media do him thing. You see me? Him drop a album with you. No hit song no come out of it. And look how much strength him get on it. Foreign artists, Whiskey, how much people, Spice, all of them something there. Him not get no hit song out of it. We can say, yo, that song mash up your place. You see what my try to say? I just one of them things, them G.
Oi! One day if you know say Vice Cartel is the Ongo king of dancehall for Gaza fans. Dancehall don't see Vice Cartel as no king of dancehall. Vice Cartel do not get that king respect in a dancehall. Him don't get it. Worse him go low out himself. You could have a man where you wind up and down in a brief, Bob sitting and do all kind of loose sitting or something like a wasteman style. But king. King operate like king. King operate like king. He money get to Vice Cartel head till him feel like say everybody out here program off of money. I know say go brother. Money now make man do every man do certain thing. You will get 1 and 2 man to go fuck batty for money, yes. You will get 1 and 2 man to come do all kind of thing for money, yes. But every man no get program off of money, and that a full Vice Cartel. Them have a saying, you know. Vice Cartel no they half knowing near some man riches, but you will never see them go on like Vice Cartel.
Well, the thing is that, you know, you have to understand when a man wealthy and when a man rich. You understand? So, a man rich and him understand that. You see me? Because most of the time, you know, when you see man ask them really used to certain things like certain levels. You see me? Them humble. You see it? Sometimes I just the attention. You know, them man they want the attention, so them would do anything like buy this, all of them than does whatever show. You have man in that much artists in that game, them not really do them thing there. Cause them a say, yo, you see me? A music them a do. You know? Them not it don't even make it don't even fears or nothing with to them, but I just can't tell that my G. You see me, them man they just love their attention, so them man they will do any little thing. You see me? Yeah, but I feel him thing still, him do him want do.
Guess what? Vice Cartel in a theme mind, I don't know if it's a prison mentality. In a Vice Cartel mind, him feel like the money we him have means something to everybody. It means something to you and your family and the Gaza fans them. And that it mean. Because number one, you can buy out who you can buy out, but you can't buy out everybody. And that's the problem. And you have many people like that, them feel like them have money and them have all the power in the world. Vice Cartel, they don't know it yet, brother. If you go lose your morals and you don't stand for nothing, and you go loot yourself, and you go dash your legacy where you work so hard for because of what? Money? Money, brother? Imagine if money could have buy life. Imagine if money could have buy life.
But looking at J Progress, I tell people say, brother, money is just a figure, my G. That can't really, it only can, you know, bring out that personality, the out of you. You see me? It's like your vehicle and the gas. The more gas you put in there, it's like the vehicle can go more far distance, more kilomiles. You see me? So more money Cartel get. I just him that. It I just show him personality more. You understand? I just that. I just him personality everybody has seen now. Where? Can I remember say about them time that social media never so powerful like that. So now everything in place and everybody I see real him now. You understand? And the money just make it more extra. You see what I'm trying to say? So I just one of them things there, bro.
Brother, one day you go wake up and realize say money is just money. It's a commodity. Money is just money. It is a commodity. You hear that? Greater things there in a life. And you can buy 1 and 2 and the little licky one there where if you shit them near me out a plate, but you can't do it for everybody. That's why you don't get the ratings you forget. Right now them say them crown you as king of dancehall and dancehall no rate you as no king. Imagine you say you're the king of an industry and the industry does not acknowledge you as a king. The only person who see you as a king in a dancehall are Gaza fans. Do you really feel like a king?
I noticed if I spun the drop, the words, and I shared Mavado. That's what they want to say. I know I say, Mavado, mongrel dog, Flexx in the complex, we never run out. Flexx in the complex run out and I talk about for something about Alkaline. But Flexx, remember, say, the reason why Foota I give him jacket and fucking baby man and breed him, and she might run back at Mavado and all on time for the woman. So Foota I just breed it, give him jacket, and the woman wait till the picnic grow big and just tell him, say, Foota I your
Chano dog, bombard. But I don't know. Flexx is a hypocrite, you know, because Flexx and Mavado never good when I time and this up Mavado wicked and bag of thing, you know. You understand? And he never found out. And I say, brother, where your career there? I tell the man them, you know, bro, as artist, you know. Brother, you found out and I said things and I say about artists, but you have career, you have a life. But you don't care about your life, you care about the next man. You understand? I just that me G. Flexx artist for years and Mavado not give no strength. Can't tell me when last Mavado give my collaboration. You understand? But him just one of them man that just forward out and talk a bag of thing. You see it? But one of them thing, the brother. And maybe that's why him not really have no career, cause him just focus on the next man thing too much.
So Flexx get married for the hype. The time when they on bumper clad, social media talk shit, one bag of shit. What I think Mavado would have an album a collab. I say Mavado collab or nothing. When Mavado have a show, I don't see my call you. I don't see my call you. If Mavado take 50,000, he could have tell the producer, say, give me 40 and give Flexx in the complex 10. I have you on the show. I don't see Mavado have you on the show. I don't see Mavado, but you run back at Mavado and I try disrespect blood clot Alkaline.
And at that I think, you know, people. Yo, Mavado not give no collaboration. Mavado not call him on the stage. Nothing man not give him no strength, brother. Yo, we don't know. Some of them man, yeah, them just not build for the artist thing. I just some man where they for their own someone, some SOB. You understand? I just one of them thing there.
You can't disrespect Alkaline. What everybody you know for talk. Because the time when you spend it your woman, you run back at Mavado, that's why foot I breed your bumper cloud baby mother gear. And wait till you pick the big intelligence and foot hype and daddy. That's why you don't like foot hype. So about the company on social media contact and bumper cloud. You talk nothing Flexx in the complex. Because you're a fool. You try to this Alkaline. You can't this Alkaline. Because you know, Mavado have house, apartment, where you have a fall Cuba raise blood clot fall and I sell egg.
Yo. Man say roll food and make egg to bombard dog. Dog. But yo, I don't know dog. Flexx, I don't know. Flexx don't really have nothing for do me G. Bro, I feel like nobody wouldn't even hear about Flexx if this a Mavado and Alkaline thing. I mean I tell you. Nobody would even know what I go on. You see me? But the man does run out dog and a bag of thing. You see it? And I him say you don't like the internet thing, alright. You shouldn't do that then. You see me? I don't know why the man them have a musical career, but the man them business but a next man career than feed them. And them nah do no. The man them nah give them a strength, no collaboration, nah call him on a stage, nothing. The man them just dead it. I say, brother, all you know, seem like where brother say foot type and him baby mother or whatever. It's like brother and so invest in our next man day and not even realize bro, fool no. You see me? That be seen like it with Sean's time. I say, yo, Vice Cartel no word if you answer none of uno. You know how much your man got you in a prison. I say, wait there. So no your cartel go prison me G, so what I'm to about your life. And then when you look man fall out and I crash out, boy, I regret going to prison and one by me, I feel laugh. I say, brother, say no sense. Yeah man, them man don't care about themselves, dog. I tell you. I tell you, brother, I'm buying them money. I know them father or nothing, you know me, G. You see me? Judge a youth. But one of them have to know, you know. Them a man, them is a man and a woman, so them have to make them decision.
Eggy blood clot, foot hype, so you need eggy. Foot hype, so we call you eggy. When the bumper clot there, Flexx. Chill out yourself, man. You hear? Chill out yourself. Governor Beach, you talk that. We're not afraid of nobody. Just come out on the car. Who's Governor Beach, you hear? Straight. Never let you be on a text one time out. You notice if I respond, the drop.
Yeah, man, people, cause right now, I tell you, you know, some joke thing I go on by the media, I tell you people, but we they have to see a lot of things that go on, you know, I tell you, I tell you people, and nothing normal that go on by the social media, you know. Yeah, man, but you don't know. Big up everybody, respect for the support, you see it? Yeah, man, I want media facts on the app, man. Big up on yourself. That is it.